Hi, welcome. Drive with care. Another sunny day. In this short video, I'm going to take you, so come along with me, along the Marine Parade Dover, back up towards Jubilee Way over the ferry port, up to the top of Jubilee Way, and then down past the castle back into Dover. So just a short run, but we want to just enjoy the ride and look out for hazards. So as per, I will give you your yellow and red triangles and circles, and I will speak as I see. See if you can spot any hazards I can't. It's 25 degrees out there. It's a lovely June Sunday. And people are all about. They're in the cars and they're on their bikes and they're walking. Pedestrian. I think this is a shared zone. I'm going to be looking for pedestrians and people getting in and out of their cars, and enough room for cars to drive past each other. There's a VW trying to manoeuvre. He's leaving. Cyclists, pedestrians. Ooh. Did you see how they nearly walked out then? Can't take too many chances, can you? So the road swings round to the right. Oh, no indicator. Awful driving. There's a car to my right. He's indicating, so that's good. Road narrows. I have to give way, but there's nothing coming. So over we go. Traffic lights ahead and they're on red, so I'm going to have to stop unless they change. I want to go right, so I'll put my indicators on. Remember, rule number 1, there's an invisible car behind you and the invisible driver is watching for your signals.
5 minutes later.
Keeping a close eye as you cross, just in case somebody runs those red lights. Look at that castle in front of us. Is that not majestic? Love a bit of history, I do. Okay, car coming out of junction. Far enough away. Could have gone ages ago, but waits till I approach. Another car coming out. They're going left. Red lights for me, so I have to stop.
A few minutes later.
And away we go. It's a 40 zone. Pedestrian to my left, walking a bit close for my liking to the road. I'm going straight across. I will eventually be in the right hand lane, but there's no need to be in it yet. I'll cross over onto that lane when I'm closer to the roundabout ahead. Pedestrian on the left. Will she wait? Yes, she will. A couple of pedestrians on the footpath on the left. We have a wandering party ahead. I'm going to go in the right-hand lane, but I'll wait till I get past these lights. Tourist party, look, all with matching bags. Right, indicate to go right. The car behind me will know what I'm doing. I need to go right on this roundabout, take the A2 up Well, it says A2. It's not the A2. Indicate again. Watch to my right for any cars coming round. If there aren't any, I can proceed, which I'm doing. And I'm coming off the roundabout, so I will indicate off. VW in front should go into the left lane. I want to go past, yeah, is indicating. 2 lanes going up, 1 lane coming down. Obviously slow moving vehicles would go in the left. Indicate into my lane. Up through the White Cliffs of Dover. How about that? So we've got national speed limit applies. Now, as much as you might think this is at 70, it's 60. Because it's not a dual carriageway. Technically single lanes, but with a passing lane on the right to get past slow moving vehicles. So I'll get up to 60, indicate into my lane. Nothing behind me. Still doing 60. Now at the top, I want to go left. Doesn't indicate into his lane. So it's all a guessing game, Mr. Mercedes driver. I will indicate after this camper and slip in. I'm coming into my lane. And at the top, I will take a left hand, the first left-hand turn. Whitfield roundabout. Or is it Jubilee Way roundabout?
12 seconds later.
Now I'll indicate so the guy behind me knows what I'm doing. 2 cars in front. Do not assume that he's going to keep going. He might stop. Not clear, not clear, all clear. Here we go. No stopping at any time ends. It's a 50-mile-an-hour zone. Anyone fancy the circus? Right, don't be distracted, Smith. Lots of oncoming traffic, big bus. No pedestrians though. Bends in the road ahead. Chevrons tell me as much. Solid white line, do not cross. And I'm always keeping an eye out when you get dips and crests in case there's an obstruction in the road. So we saw the castle from the main road at the bottom. Now we're driving up past the castle at the top of the hill. So a fun little drive. Not many hazards. There may be quite a few when we drop down into Dover though. But feast your eyes on that castle, isn't that wonderful? Built by Henry II in the 1100s. Anyway, back to the road. We've got a staggered junction ahead. Tight bend. The gradient tells me it's a 13% gradient. So I'm dropping down to 30 just to anticipate. There should be a lot of tourism because it's the castle, right? But it's all clear. People on the right waiting to cross. Down into a 30 zone. Keep in low gear, it says. Another bend in the road. Is the road going to be clear? Yay! A couple of cyclists. Cars parked on the right. Could present a hazard if someone... Oh, pedestrians. Thank you. Had to slam on the anchors there. Thought they weren't going to stop. Right, a kind of a U-bend here, kind of thing you'd expect in Switzerland or the Italian Alps. But we have one in Dover. Coming into Old Dover town. We'll cross this junction up ahead, there's some traffic lights. And we'll drive down Castle Street into the town centre, and that should be it. Red lights, I'm going to have to stop. Don't drive on the cycle area. Oh, lights are changing. Just make sure nobody runs those red lights. Cars parked. Could be cars coming out, could be pedestrians everywhere. Looks all clear. Red lights ahead. Old Dover Town Square up ahead. Looks like it's been regenerated. I'm not sure what those semicircular shapes are. Are they going to build some kind of tunnel, do you think? Or is it going to be water? It's got tiny holes in it. Interesting. All development. Cyclist crossing the road. Oh, and running some wheelies. Oh, what's he going to do? It's a bit close to my side of the road. Relatively trouble-free little drive there. So we'll call that one quits. Thanks for watching, bearing with, and I will see you in another video. Bye for now, and drive with care.